swedging, flaring, pinching up and brazing technique. Swedging on copper tubing. Swedging permits two pieces of soft copper tubing of the same diameter to be joined together without the use of fittings. It is more convenient to solder one joint than make two flat connections. Two types of swedging tools are commonly used: punch type and screw type. When punch type is used, the copper tubing is inserted into the correct hole size in the flaring block. Then a punch is inserted into the copper tubing and hammered down until it has entered the tubing the desired distance. When using the screw type tool, the tubing is placed over the expander. Squeezing the lever expands the tube to the proper size. Flaring. When connecting tubing to fittings, it is a common practice to flare the end of the tube and to use fittings designed to grip the flare for a vapor-tight seal. Pinching. Pinch-off tool is used whenever it is necessary to seal off copper's tubing so that no pressure can pass from one side of the pinch tube to the other. When isolation of parts of the refrigeration system is required, it is necessary to use pinching. Brazing. The end of the tubing after pinching is to be brazed. Mostly soft copper pipe tubes are used for piping purpose. We can make a joint by two ways: mechanical joints, brazed joint. For mechanical joints, flaring on the required end of the copper pipe is necessary. In this process, flaring tool is used. A flaring nut is placed on the pipe. Pipe should be free from rough edges. Choose the correct size of the hole and place the pipe properly. Tighten on the flaring bar hole. Pipe diameter divided by 3. If pipe is 1/4 inch, that is 6 mm, position the pipe so that the end is at least more than 2 mm above the top of flaring block. Now fit the yoke on flaring block. Slowly screw it into the end of pipe. As it is shown, practically examine the flare. It should not be cracked. With the help of different sizes of flare fitting, we can make joints of all sizes and at all angles. Brace joints. To join two pieces of pipe of same size together, one must be made longer so that the others fit in. Making the end of a pipe longer is called sawging. You can see the sawging process. At the time of swedging, pressurize the yoke adapter slowly so that the end of the pipe does not expand abnormally. Now, fix another piece of pipe into the expanded portion of swedged pipe. With the help of blowtorch, propane, acetylene, blow lamp kerosene, and flux and brazing rod, we can make good leak-proof joint as it is showing. We must be careful at the time of brazing. Proper flux should be used. Touch the brazing rod on the joint after it gets red hot.